Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create item replenishment in Zoho Inventory. This feature is incredibly useful for automating your stock management and ensuring you never run out of critical inventory items. To get started, open a web browser and navigate to zoho.com/inventory. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in to your Zoho Inventory account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account with the proper permissions to manage inventory settings. After logging in, look to the left sidebar and click on Items. This will open the Items module where all your products and inventory are listed. From here, browse through your inventory and select the specific item you want to set up replenishment for by clicking on its name. This will take you to the detailed view of that particular item. Now scroll down within the item details until you find the replenishment section. This is where you'll configure all the automated restocking rules for this item. Click on Create Replenishments, or if replenishments already exist for this item, click Edit to modify the existing settings. Here's where the magic happens. First, set your preferred vendor. This tells Zoho Inventory which supplier to use when generating purchase orders automatically. Next, define the reorder level, which is the critical stock quantity threshold that triggers the replenishment process. When your inventory dips to this number, Zoho will alert you or create a purchase order depending on your settings. Then, set the maximum stock level. This represents the ideal quantity you want to maintain after replenishment occurs, helping you avoid overstocking while ensuring adequate supply. Following that, enter the minimum order quantity, which is the smallest amount you're willing to order when replenishing. This is often determined by your vendor's minimum requirements or your own purchasing strategy. Next, configure the unit multiple if applicable. This ensures orders are placed in specific increments that match packaging or shipping constraints. After that, set the frequency. This determines how often Zoho Inventory checks your stock levels and generates replenishment alerts, whether that's daily, weekly, or another interval that suits your business rhythm. Once all these parameters are configured to match your inventory needs, click Save to activate the item replenishment settings. You've now automated stock management for this item, which means Zoho Inventory will monitor levels and alert you when it's time to reorder. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.